Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. Working on the 2019 Toyota RAV4, I'm gonna do installation on new side mirrors. Shout out to CARTRIMHOME. The difference between these mirrors and the stock ones, especially for my model, which is the basic LE model, these ones they're gonna have turn signal built into the mirror and heated as well. And if you have a higher trim than the LE, probably this one is not gonna work if you have the blind spot monitor. But for my LE, they're gonna work just fine. I'm gonna start here on the passenger side. I had to remove the top cover. You can remove the mirror by just pulling the mirror itself, but kinda dangerous. I don't wanna crack anything. So I'm gonna remove the whole assembly just to get the mirror out and put the new one. Remove the bottom part as well. It has 4 tabs in here, brighter out from there to remove the glass. And like I said before, you can pull just the glass, but be careful with that, that might be dangerous. Same way this one came out, put it on the new one. And this is one of the reasons why I recommend you to remove the whole assembly, because it's really hard to put it on these clips. I actually had to push it with a screwdriver, and I was very careful not to crack the glass. That's why I recommend you to do it this way. One cool feature about these ones is gonna be anti-glare. So if somebody is running with the high beams on the back, the glass is gonna minimize the glare. That is not gonna be really bad for you. And wide angle, you're gonna see way different with these ones. You're gonna have, if you don't have blind spot monitors, that's why I recommend you to do this, because with these ones the angle is gonna be much wider, so you're not gonna have blind spot. Safer and a lot better with these ones. The 4 screws are back on. Then do the connection. Next process, like what I did with my mirrors. If you know, from CARTRIMHOME I get folding and unfolding mirrors. I'm gonna put the episode right here so you can go and see it about the whole process on how to do the installation, how to remove the mirrors, get all these panels out. Everything is gonna be on that episode, so I'm not gonna waste your time on that. I'm gonna remove this panel, remove the mirror, so I can wire everything to run the cables for the turn signals. Now what I have to do, remove this tape so I can run my cables here inside all the way out and then running through the front. Remove this plastic cover. I already removed the tape. Now I can remove this cover. It has few tabs. Be careful with those, don't break them. Okay, just be careful, don't pull it too hard. Be gentle with it. I have my 2 cables right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna splice some more cable to have them in here and then running through the inside. The splice is ready. Everything is in place. I gotta put the mirror back on the door. Now, there is a grommet from the inside of the engine bay where I can run my cables, but that's the grommet for the wire harness. I don't want to mess with that. You see that opening right there? I have my cables through. To test the turn signal and see if it works, I remove the bulb and I connect the red with the green and the black with the black and white. And I have my cables right from there. This is just to test. I'm gonna put them through here under so it looks nice and clean. Nobody can see those cables. And there we have it. Turn signal is working. I have my connections in here. I put tape on all the cables so nobody can see it. Everything is in place. Cables right here under this cover all the way here inside. Installation almost complete. I have the cable right here. So when you close and open the door, nothing's gonna happen. It's secure. It's not gonna cut it. I think for what it is, it's okay. I'm gonna show you the end result once I put the bolts and close this door panel. You barely see the cable right there, so it's not on the way. Close and open just normal. Installation is complete. Turn signal. Turn signal. Hazards. Everything is working. For the before and after, I put the mirrors, the original ones, on top. Hopefully you can see what I'm seeing. And that's for the passenger side. Visibility is just not really good with those mirrors. Now let me show you the new ones. Now this is the new ones, and when you drive in, I think the blind spots, they're gonna be very minimal. Look how wide the angle looks now. Now one thing that I need to make clear, I didn't wire the heater on the mirrors because I need to get a relay, and really soon I'm gonna have my next appointment on the dealership. I'm going to order the new panel that has more room for switches. Once I change this, I'm gonna have enough room for more switches so I can put the wiring for the heater mirrors, and I'm gonna put the switch in here, and for my folding and unfolding mirrors too. And if you want to see that episode where I do the wiring on the heated mirrors, let me know so I can do it. But like I said, I need to order this part first. If your RAV4 has blind spot monitors, it's not gonna work for you because it's gonna eliminate that. Basically, this is for LE models. But there you have it. Installation is complete. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Link is gonna be in the description for these mirrors. And once again, thanks to CARTRIMHOME for these new mirrors for the installation. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.